Hi, this is Fatima. Here let us discuss about the advantage of tag helpers in ASP.NET Core MVC. Before proceeding to this video, watch my previous video where we have discussed about the tag helpers in ASP.NET Core MVC application. Why do we need these tag helpers? In ASP.NET Core MVC, the tag helpers generate a link based on the application routing templates. That means in future, if we change the routing templates, then the link generated by the tag helpers will automatically reflect those changes made to the routing templates. So the generated link just work as expected without any trouble. On the other hand, if we have hard-coded the URL paths manually, then we need to change the code wherever we have hard-coded the path in our application when the application's routing template changes. Let us understand this with example. This is a startup class of our application. Let us modify the startup class by using simply use MVC, and we mention our routes here. So with these changes in this route templates, the URL first part is the cozy sleep. Now let us run the application. If you navigate to the respective URL, you will see the output. If we click on this view button that we generate this link manually, then it will not work. It will show the HTTP 404 error. Because while we are manually generating the link, we have hard-coded the URL paths here. So it will directly comes to the hard-coded paths here. But we click on the view button that we generated by using the anchor tag helper, it will show the respective output as expected. In this case, we are generating the link using the anchor tag helper for the first view. We have not hard-coded the URL paths. Here we are only specifying the controller, action names and the route parameters along with their values. So when the tag helpers are executed on the server, they look at the route templates that we mentioned here and generate the correct URLs automatically. We also use the tag helpers in ASP.NET Core to generate forms. When the form is posted back to the server, then the posted form values are automatically handled and the associated validation messages are displayed. Without these tag helpers, we would have to write a lot of custom code to achieve the same. We will be discussing about this in our upcoming video. And to back from this page, on click of this back button to the home index page, let us have the code change here in the details view page. ASP-so with the use of the tag helpers, let us mention the controller name. By default, if you omit this, then the controller of the current view is used by default. So the controller of this current view is home itself. So we have to go back to the index page. So with these changes in place, now let's run the application. And click on this view button that is generated using the tag helper. It will show the corresponding output. If we click on this back button, it will come back to the index page. So this HTML helper also will work like the tag helpers and will produce the correct output. So let us use this tag helper alone and remove these 2 lines of code. With these changes in place, now let's run the application. So if we click on this view button, it will show the corresponding product details, and if we click on the back button, it will come back to the index page. So it's working as expected. As of now, we are having the single images to display. Later let us see how to display the corresponding product images. Hope you enjoyed this video. Our next video is about image tag helpers in ASP.NET Core MVC application. Thank you.